The financial aspects of professional sports play a crucial role in the success and growth of teams, leagues, and athletes. From the salaries of elite athletes to the revenue generated through broadcasting deals and sponsorships, the business side of sports is just as important as the games themselves. The financial model of professional sports has evolved significantly over the years, shaping the way fans interact with the games and the level of success teams can achieve. Professional sports leagues across the world generate billions of dollars annually, making sports a massive industry. The primary source of income for most leagues and teams comes from broadcasting rights. Television and digital platforms pay significant amounts to secure the rights to broadcast live sports events, which often attract millions of viewers. The National Football League, NFL, in the United States, for example, generates over $10 billion per year from broadcasting rights alone. Similarly, major football leagues such as the English Premier League, EPL, and La Liga generate substantial revenue from their TV deals, which has a direct impact on the financial health of the clubs. Sponsorships are another vital financial component of professional sports. Corporations are eager to align their brands with successful teams and athletes, offering lucrative sponsorship deals in exchange for visibility. These partnerships can include naming rights for stadiums, endorsement deals with individual athletes, and advertising during games. For instance, Nike, Adidas, and Under Armour have long been major sponsors of sports teams and athletes. Sponsorship deals can sometimes be worth millions of dollars, offering teams and leagues the financial support they need to operate and grow. Ticket sales and merchandise are also significant revenue sources for sports teams. Fans who attend games and purchase team apparel contribute directly to the financial success of their favorite teams. While some teams, particularly those in major markets, can rely heavily on ticket sales, others are more dependent on sponsorships and broadcasting rights. However, ticket sales can be a key element of fan engagement, allowing fans to feel closer to the action and creating additional revenue streams. Athletes themselves are often at the center of the financial side of professional sports. In many top sports leagues, players are paid astronomical salaries that reflect their marketability and skill level. The highest paid athletes in the world, such as football stars Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, or basketball players LeBron James and Stephen Curry, earn millions not only from their playing contracts, but also through endorsements, personal business ventures, and other financial opportunities. Player salaries in sports leagues like the NBA and NFL can reach tens of millions of dollars per year, with performance incentives and bonuses further adding to their earnings. However, it's important to recognize that the financial success of professional sports also comes with significant expenses. Teams and leagues must cover the cost of salaries, infrastructure, and operations, players' contracts, coaching staff salaries, travel expenses, and the maintenance of stadiums all contribute to the expenses of running a professional sports organization. In some cases, teams may even be losing money despite their large revenue streams, particularly in situations where ownership costs or operating expenses outpace their income. For example, a poorly managed franchise may struggle financially even if it has high-profile players or a large fan base. In recent years, the growing influence of digital and social media has also impacted the financial landscape of professional sports. Platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube have become valuable tools for athletes and teams to engage with fans and generate income. Social media has allowed athletes to develop personal brands that can be monetized, with lucrative partnerships and endorsement deals being facilitated through these platforms. Additionally, streaming services have become key players in the distribution of sports content, offering fans the ability to watch games on demand, which opens up new avenues for revenue generation. In terms of investment, professional sports franchises have increasingly become valuable assets. Some teams are valued in the billions of dollars, particularly in sports like football, basketball, and soccer. The value of teams can fluctuate based on performance, market size, and financial management. Owners of sports teams often make significant investments in upgrading facilities, expanding fan engagement, and enhancing team performance, all in an effort to increase the long-term value of their franchises. The financial side of professional sports also impacts the wider economy. Major sporting events, such as the Super Bowl, the Olympics, and the FIFA World Cup, bring in significant amounts of revenue not only for the host cities, but also for surrounding industries, such as tourism, hospitality, and retail. These events provide a substantial economic boost to the local economy, generating jobs and promoting international tourism. The financial ecosystem of professional sports is complex and multifaceted. It goes beyond ticket sales and player salaries and involves a variety of stakeholders, including sponsors, media companies, investors, and fans. As the sports industry continues to evolve, with technological advancements and the increasing prominence of digital platforms, the financial landscape of professional sports will continue to transform. The business side of sports is an essential element of the overall experience, shaping the growth of teams, the success of athletes, and the broader sports culture. In conclusion, the financial side of professional sports is a dynamic and multifaceted component of the industry. Broadcasting rights, sponsorships, ticket sales, merchandise, and athlete salaries are just some of the key elements that contribute to the business side of sports. The success of professional sports organizations is driven not only by athletic performance, but also by strategic financial management. The interplay between these factors creates an environment where sports teams, athletes, and leagues can thrive, while also benefiting the economy at large.